guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo. Today is the 10th day of the 40 days challenge and we are definitely getting closer to finishing our challenge. So excited. So are you guys excited to see 30 more recipes of mine? I'm going to keep it really fun, simple and clean. So my recipes are going to reflect that as well. Like I mentioned before, for me, Mumbai is the street food capital of India, and today my dish is from Mumbai and I call it the star street food of Mumbai, which is Vada Pav. Sure, everybody will agree with me on this one, so let's see how it's made. More of Mumbai's favorite street food, or let's call it the star street food of Mumbai or Maharashtra, and it's Vada Pav, guys. And today I made that with a twist. So let's see what that twist is, okay? 1 cup of chickpea flour, a little bit of ajwain seeds. With water, make a nice batter. Make sure there are no lumps, and this should be the consistency. Now leave this aside and let's prepare the other elements. For the green chutney, we'll take coriander, 3 green chilies, some ginger and garlic, and some salt. Blend these to form a chutney. The second element, the green chutney, is now ready. Add some cooking oil. Add half a teaspoon jeera, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the ginger garlic is cooked, we'll add my twist to the vada pav. We'll add my twist to the vada pav, that is, say about half a cup of sprouted green grams, some salt to taste, 1 spoon turmeric, a spoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 cup of mashed potatoes. Mix it well. Now get it off the heat and leave it for cooling. Element number 2, the vada stuffing, is now ready, guys. Element number 3 is frying the green chilies. The green chilies are well blistered, get it off the heat. Now coat these with a tad bit of salt and mix them. There you go, guys, our element 3 is now ready. For the chura spicy chutney, you have to use your hands, so make sure your hands are clean. Go ahead with your hand, just put in like small blobs like that. Once it's nice and golden like this, transfer it to a blender. For the spicy chura dry chutney, we'll add some besan ka chura and some chili powder, some salt to taste, and we'll blister some garlic as well. So now the garlic is well blistered to go into the chura chutney. There you go, guys, add it here like that. Now we'll blend this and make it into a nice powdery chutney. Our spicy garlic dry chura chutney is our 4th element, and now it's ready. We'll basically shape the potato and sprouted green gram mixture like this and dunk it into the besan mixture, coat it well and slip it into the tawa for frying. There you go guys, the final element, the pav, is ready now. I'll take some of this for garnishing in the end. They actually are crunchy and yummy. Now let's assemble our beautiful vada pav. So take the pav and get this beautiful green chutney on this like that. Don't take a lot guys, it's very spicy, so take it as per your spice tolerance levels. And at the bottom put this nice chura dry chutney like this. And add the pav here. And one blistered chili. And we'll add some chura and cover it like this. And there you go guys, the star street food of Mumbai, the vada pav. It is almost a staple in Mumbai and everybody who lives there eats it and enjoys it on a daily basis, I guess. So there you go. My today's 2 cents is very simple. Be happy and take care of yourself. How about that? Until I see you guys in my next vlog. Bye-bye.